Guys, it's
Wow,
almost
yes,
my
press
birthday,
man,
and
talaga
every
talaga
year
ito.
we try to visit some
Naalay niya,
charities.
nandun yung nakalagay
Sometimes
niya
it's
sa
for the
mga
elderly,
foundation na
most of the
tinutulungan
times the
niya. Ayaw
children.
ikaw na
And for today, we're visiting Cribs Foundation.
Minsan doon sa elderly.
Cribs Foundation is had to visit them many times before. I'd like to thank my dad for no matter what you have.
Ito naman yung Cribs Foundation.
Oh! I'm happy to see you girls. Kamusta kayo? Yay!
Hindi kayo kung sumasaya na kanya.
Balis na kayo?
Happy birthday. You made it to a whole new year.
Sana kahit papano, kung dumating man ako sa inyo at nakapagbigay konting saya, konting inspiration, doon nagiging worth it lahat din ang ginawa. Ako lang nagpapasaya sa inyo, hindi. Kayo rin talaga nagpapasaya sa akin. Kaya maraming salamat.